Microsoft OneDrive is an area on the cloud where Office 365 users can store their files. This is a lot more efficient because A, you don't run out of room on your school-issued device. Downloads on Chromebooks are not supported anyway. B, the files are available as long as you have internet connectivity. C, OneDrive interfaces seamlessly with Teams and other Microsoft Office products. D, you can collaborate seamlessly with family, friends, and colleagues. And E, OneDrive's encryption protocols mean that if you lose or break a device, your files on the cloud are protected. If you haven't already, open a browser and sign in to office.com with an email address and passcode. On the Office home screen, click on OneDrive. If you've used office.com previously with this email address to create a Word document, spreadsheet, or PowerPoint, it should appear right here. Now look over on the left side. You'll see several options. The top one, Files, is the default way to see all your files. Click on Recent to see your most recent files. Shared files are the ones another user has created and shared with you. Discover can suggest files relevant to your project. Finally, the Recycle bin holds any files you've deleted. It keeps them there in case you change your mind. You can also permanently delete them from the Recycle bin if you wish. Each user has up to 1 terabyte of storage on OneDrive. It'll take a lot of files to fill that up, so don't worry about running out of space. A handy way to find the file you want to work with is to head over to the Search Everything box and enter a word or topic that matches what you seek. One problem that OneDrive helps to solve is access to your files from any place or device, provided you have at least a mobile device signal. Even on phones, the Microsoft OneDrive app is available free to iPhone and Android users, meaning you could create and start working on a file at school. Changes are automatically saved to the cloud. Then open it later on the mobile device or connected tablet or laptop, and finish it away from school. One handy feature of the OneDrive mobile app is to upload a picture of an assignment, in case you need to show your work. With the app open, look for the camera button and snap your pic. Tell the app where you want it to save, and then in the Microsoft Teams portion of Office, choose Add Work to add that photo to your assignment. Or perhaps you have photos or Word documents saved on a computer or tablet, and you want to have access to them to include in your project. Simply go to Files, look along the top for the Upload button, and choose the files you want to add to your OneDrive. Then again, you may want to start from scratch. Click on New, then Word, Excel, PowerPoint, whatever, and start creating. Changes are saved under a default name automatically. Click on that default name to change the file name. You may notice that there's even an option for adding a link to a website as one of your files. Heading back to the New menu, check out the first option, New Folder. Make sure to give the folder a name. Folders can help you organize your files according to class or file type. The folders can be sorted later by name, date, or size. And with regard to files and folders, there are many options available by clicking the 3 dots near the name. These options include downloading, renaming, deleting, and sharing. Drag a file into a folder here if you'd like. Check out Pioneer's other tutorials, and as always, contact Instructional Technology Services with any questions.